Hi, today we're going to have a look over this Axopar 28 cabin. This is boat 26107, that's her model number. She's a 2020 boat, just arrived with us here in Swanwick, direct from the factory. Rigged up and almost ready to go, just batteries, the PDI fit props, things like that. She could be on the water in a matter of days. Very high spec boat, built for us as stock. So she's got all the popular options which I'll run through as we have a walk around. We've chosen to rig her with a single Mercury 300 V8 engine. These were launched last year, very successful, great package, economy versus performance. She's got the advanced midsection and the vessel view system. Great looking boat. On the outside here we've got the Brabus line trim pack, so the black rails, black pleats, extra badges, nice features inside as well. Optional Waterski towing frame on the back here, and on top Targa roof with the rails, rod holders, the rocket launchers up the top there. Again, all done in black, very stealthy looking. Trim tabs underneath here at the back. Pop out bathing ladder here on the port side. She's the Daycruiser with the aft cabin package, so she's got the aft deck cabin there with the Sundeck cushions to go on top. You see the bow thrust and the hull down there forward, so really nice connectability. Twin step hull designs are very soft riding, really does cut through the water like a knife through butter. Some very sharp angle of entry there on the bow. I'd like to have a look at some of the lockers, etc. Just a sec. I'll stand back and get the profile of the boat for you. So ultra edgy modern design. Have to excuse the noise, there's a crane working beside me here in the yard. So there's the boat number 26107. And just to confirm here on the starboard side, on the hull number, she's a 2020 boat, so delivered to us literally just before Christmas. So we climb up onto the aft deck. You can see the aft cabin. So there's an access hatch in the top here. The main access is through from the cabin forward. Optional extras outside of note. She's got the fridge, cool box there on the port side in the aft locker. Rod holders. Optional deck shower. You can see a manual bilge pump there. See the pull-out shower handset there. There's the protective cover package, so she's got the red canvas cover for the sunbed cushions on the back here. Over on the starboard side, this is a handy storage locker. Get a few fenders in there. Have you rod holder, full tank filler on the top. Fire extinguisher. Notice these side decks really wide, very safe feeling if you've got young children. LED lights all around the deck. Some mood lights here. I'll show you the one yet. Let's say she's not rigged up with any batteries. So if we start in the front, this is the heads compartment. It's a really nice big seal on the drawer there, keep the water out. She's got the freshwater pack, so you've got the sink here with a tap, and again a second sink in the cabin. Electric flush Jabsco toilet. Over on the port side, there's the breakers for the main electric systems. It's a nice synthetic S-Tech floor there. On the sole, we've got a nice little bit of satin walnut in here, bit of storage under the sink. Step for climbing in, and it's actually not a bad size once you're in there. Sort of mirrored panel there. Looking forward, so we have seating just on the port side, which gives a little bit more working deck space. Again, great size locker. There's the table that sits up here forward. an assortment of legs depending on whether it's set up in table or drop down into a sunbed. We've got the ropes, so part of the mooring pack. We've got Shorepower system as an option, so she's got a battery charger, plug-in socket here with a lead, and some sockets in the cabins. Up forward, optional electric anchor winch. See the anchor stowed down there below, so you just take it out, drop it onto the bow roller. And the control here at the bow. The anchor retrieval, very easy. Nice little LED nav lights there at the front. Great deck space if you're into your fishing, obviously a walk around design, so playing fish from all angles. Removable cushion, she's got the Silvertex Premium pack, so some lovely grey cushions to sit up forward here. Backrest cushion goes on that side, again, same when the table drops down to make a sun pad. We look up top, she's got the upgrade to the Webasto electric sunroof, so no manual controls here. And these big sliding doors both sides, so access the cabin is very easy. It really is a turn up back in port, just a quick wash down, shut the doors and off to bed. You don't have to worry about covers and all the maintenance that goes with an open sports boat. So it's a real practical boat for the UK, Northern European waters. Great access into the water here, both sides. Nice S-Tech decking. Again, if you want to, we can add this onto the side decks. Let's take it all the way around the boat. Let's take a look inside. So here, going through the port door, we've got an almost centre-line helm. So with the Brabus trim package, we've got the Alcantara steering wheel. That's a tilt up and down, get a nice comfy position. Just to the left there, so it's the optional bow thruster control, trim tabs. And moving across, you've got a DSC Garmin VHF. Nice Brabus logo, the Alcantara handle there. The co-pilot, some nice cup holders. Optional good sized Garmin chart plotter. You can add on to that a radar if you wish, which will plug straight in, and it's got the intelliducer, which is basically the fish finder module. Will give you depth, and then that one's your vessel view for the Mercury 300 engine. We've got active trim, so when you're up on the plane, the boat's adjusting its trim angle all the time to give it the best efficiency for the conditions. And then single lever throttle and shift DTS Mercury control, so very easy in and out of gear, easy to control around the marina, etc. So looking aft, we've got a Helm and co-pilot seat here, again embossed with Brabus logos and the diamond stitching. Access to service systems underneath there, and if I tip the seats forward, you'll see we've got the optional refrigerator cool box system there, and there's a sink with cold water. So real practical boat. You've got friends and family on board for a day trip. Looking aft here, we've got access through this seat cushion, lifts up the backrest and the base, which gives you the access into the aft cabin. It's cosy, but it does work, and you've got actually, when you're in there, not bad space with a double bed. Excuse all the boxes from the pre-rig kit that's on board here. So you've got a control panel there with the battery switches. You can see the Silvertex colour here, so it's a nice grey, platinum grey colour. These are cushions, as we can actually turn the Helm and co-pilot seats, we can actually spin them round 180 degrees, and with a clever filling cushion here we can make another double bed, so occasional sleeping for 4 people if you want to. See LED lights in the roof, lots of grab handles, so very practical if the weather's not so good. See the control up forward there for the electric roof system. The hull is anti-fouled, so whether you're keeping it on a dry stack or in the water all year round, nothing much to to do to her. Engine obviously can lift out, so it keeps the anode use to a minimum. Just having a look through my list as to what else she has we haven't already mentioned. There's a fusion pack, so stereo controlled either through the chart plotter. We've got a little remote control there on the left side. And that's pretty much it. You'll see rolled up down here some carpets for the cabin. So very practical if it's a wet day like it is today. Don't have any carpets down, you can just mop out the floors. It's got nice non-slip if you've got your sailing wellies on. Or if you want a bit more luxury, you can stick the carpets down, they're just on poppers. Some speakers down there for the fusion kit. So say a very highly spec boat. We're about just over £132,000 with the spec as it is. That includes full PDI, complete handover here in the UK. So whether you take delivery here in Swanwick or move to our base in Poole, we provide a complete day going through technical systems, a little bit of manoeuvring practice as well. We can put you through powerboat courses and set up maintenance packages if you need them. Complete one-stop shop. So if you'd like to find out further information, check us out online on the Axopar London Group website, or drop me a phone call on 07747 686 587, or it's James at AxoparLondonGroup.com, and I can send you any further information.